In this video, I'm going to go over a couple of features on the Canvas page. So there's a couple of different ways I can see the homework. So if I click on calendar, so I'm looking at the month view, I can see when different things are due. You're going to have more than one subject, so you're going to see more than one thing there. If I want to see the week view, so I can see it by the week. And if I type agenda, I can see what I have due each day. The other way, you can see what you have for homework. If I can go to modules, and then underneath where it says assignment, for each one it tells you when it's due. So the first thing was due on December 17th, and then study for a quiz that's due on December 19th, and then the solving equations, the graphically preview, that's due December 20th. So that's the other way I can see what I have for homework. And then a couple other things that are here. If I go to the resource section, every week has a resource section, and it's always the same thing. So it's student work, class notes, video, websites and problems, and handouts. Same thing in week 2, same thing in week 1. So it's always listed for each week. If you click on student work, that's going to show you all the homeworks that you did for the class, and also any class activity. If I click on class notes, it's just loading. And then I click on the folder. These are all the class notes from class. So note it's listed by date, and they also give you the subject as well. I'm going to go back to Canvas, go back to those modules. If I click videos, websites, and problems, and click on that folder. And I'm going to click on Unit 1 because that's the unit we're in. So now I list the topics, and then for each topic, there's websites I can go to if I want to explore it more. There's some videos I can watch, and if I want to do more problems, I gave you some more problems. And I also try to select problems that have the answers there. And go back to the modules. The last thing there are handouts. So all the handouts that I pass out in class, there are blank copies in this section. So those are all the handouts we've done so far. So that's just a couple of different things that you can access on the Canvas website. And there's the prospectus is also there. 2 useful sites that we use are Wolfram Alpha and Desmos. And if I click where it says handout assignments and resources, that's the same thing as clicking modules.